Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to check flight status on Qantas. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in qantas.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, book, fly and all of those things. And in the very middle of the screen, we have the, of course, moment where you can go and find your flight. So basically here you can, as you can see, book a trip, of course, that you desired. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check flight status on Qantas. So first of all, go to the, of course, website as I told you in the start of the video and click on the flight status tab. Or of course, you can go and click on here so you have the flight status tab here, as you can see. Here you need to enter your departure city, arrival city, and flight date. So you can put in only the, of course, flight number, and of course here departing, arriving, everything here. And of course, as you can see, track real-time arrival and departure information from Qantas, Qantas link, and code share flights. Now, of course, search for it, and you can also check the status from your flight via the Qantas app or by calling Qantas customer service. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.